Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel, Knowledge Ki Pathshala. This is my next video in Trilix DLP series, but before start the video, I request you please watch my previous video, part 21. On that video, I'll explain you how to create cloud protection rules. On that rule, you can block any data, any confidential data, sensitive information from system to any cloud service. Like it could be a Google Drive, it could be a OneDrive, Box, Dropbox, iCloud, etc. Okay, but in my today's video, I'll explain you how to create email protection rule or how to block the data over the email, or we can check the data monitor only. But what type of data moved over the email we can monitor or we can block as well. Okay, so let's get started. Start the live demonstration. First of all, log in the EPO server, click on the menu and go to the DLP policy manager and go to the rule set. We have already told you if you want to create any rule, you should be create the rule set first. We have already created the rule set. This is my rule set, data block for entire organization. Okay, under the data protection, we just click on the action, click on new rule and select the email protection. First of all, type the rule name for the identification, email protection rule. Change the state from disable to enable and change the severity as well. At least major or critical, because data is important for every company. Okay, I'm creating this rule for the Windows machine. For that, I just uncheck the Mac OS machine and one more new feature of by the OEM, Sky High Security Cloud DLP. Okay, we will talk about it later. Okay, now jump to the condition. There are the few conditions. First of all, we set the classification. Classification means all type of the email elements. Like it is we will not add this rule separate for the header, subject, or one of the any attachment or body. We just selected that email elements, mean all type of the features of the email. Okay, or over here I just set any data, means all type of the data would be blocked or the monitor over the email protection rule. Okay, just click on the contain any data all. Okay, it would be apply for the any sender user, or it could be a local user, or we can set the local user as well as the LW user, but in my scenario I'm add for the all users, all type of the sender user. Okay, if I'm talking about the email envelope, we just select for the all type of the email, like that. It is not only for the digital signature or like that, all type of the email. Okay, a recipient means all type of the recipients. Okay, now jump to the save. Okay, sorry, add the reaction, go to the reaction and change from no action to block. Add the notification, default general user notification, means if any user try to copy or try to email any document, it should be a blocked. That time a notification will prompt. Okay, just click on OK. We have already told you report this and please check box. Okay, click on save anyway. To add this rule into the policy, for it, how can we do that? Just close it and go to the policy assignment. Okay, this is our rule set, data block for entire organization. It is add with this policy, data prevent and block. To apply the policy, after apply the policy, this rule added into this policy. Okay, to select the policy data prevent and block. Click on apply policy, again apply policy. Now policy has been applied. Now jump to the client PC to add this policy with the client PC. For it, first of all, select the client PC, click on action, click on agent, go to the added policy on the single system. Okay, change the policy name, data prevent and block. Click on save. Now, okay, first of all, verify the host name. Desktop -HOE 0RTT. Desktop -0 HOE 0RTT. Okay, to verify the policy, just right click and go to the manage feature and go to the DLP policy, DLP endpoint console. Go to the about, you can see the policy is the different. Okay, to verify the policy, to add the policy into the system, again right click on the Trilix agent status monitor. Okay, and the click check new policy or enforce policy. Okay, wait for the apply the policy. See, the policy has been modified. The policy has been applied on the client PC. The policy name is data prevent and block. The revision ID is 9. Okay, so now to verify the new rule has been, email rule has been applied on the client PC or not, just log in the email. Okay, and try to send any email. Okay, I just type a test and try to send. See, the message has been prompt. The message has been prompt. Email protection was blocked the sensitive content data. Okay. Now I'm trying to attach any file like DLP part 1 and try to and try to send it again. It will also blocked. Okay, we cannot send any email over the email because we have already applied the email protection rule. Now I'm little bit change the rule. I just monitor what data move over the through the email, but it will not block. Again, log in the EPU server, go to the DLP policy manager, go to the rule set. Now open the rule, go to the reaction, change block to no action, but incident should be generate. Okay, click on save, save anyway. To apply this modification to the rule, go to the policy manager. You have see apply the policy data prevent and block. Click on action, click apply selected policy, select the policy, then apply the policy. Okay, there is no pending changes available. Revision ID is also changed from 9 to 10. Now jump to the client PC and wait for the change the revision ID. How can we do that? Just again click for the check new policy and force policy and wait for the change the revision ID. See, the revision ID has been changed. Now again go to the email and try to send any document. Test and try to send the email. Yes, email has been sent, but it was monitored. Okay. Try to send any attachment. DLP part 1, DLP part 1, and try to send it again. The email has been sent, but it was monitored. It is monitored to verify these incidents generate or not on reach to the EPO or not. Again, go to the login the EPO server, click on menu and go to the DLP incident manager. Incident list. You can see the incident has been reached. The incident type is email protection. Okay, just click on this incident ID. See, you can find it, the information of the system who have sent the email, but it was not blocked. Okay, it is monitored only. You can see the host name, IP address, user ID, source file, the sender email ID. Okay, the subject line. Okay, and you can also verify the rule name, email protection rule over here. So friends, that's all in this video. If the video is informative to you, please like, comments and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to your friends who need it, who actually need this.